Hi, this is Saad, Certified Application Architect of Salesforce, and this is a demo related to send a series of emails to a lead. So it is basically an automation. So what it is, so basically we have created a custom lightning component. When we click on send email, and this will send a series of emails at specified dates to this lead. So these are the email templates basically. These are customized and can be we can add more email templates here. So let me show you. So this is the custom editor created in the backend. So we can like handle these email templates from the custom metadata. So for example, if I add a new email template, we have to specify the correct email ID, and there are different options present. Like default selected means that when we are going to send the email, do we want to default select the email template, like these all are default selected. So for example, I don't check this, and there's an other option, immediate send. So this means that when we click on schedule emails, do you want that specific email template to be sent immediately or not? If not, then after how many days? So for example, I add 30 days and click save on it. I go back. For now, you can see there are only 5 email templates present. So let me refresh it. So now you can see a new email template has been added in the selection. So it is not default selected because we have not checked it either to default select it or not. And like if I can select it, so we can move around the templates, this this, and when I click on schedule emails, it will schedule emails for these 4 specific email templates. So let me click on it. So there is a custom object present that will show the information. So what it's going to show, it is showing the date on which it will be going to send the email, the template of the name of the email template, and the name of the lead. So and in the background there is a scheduler running after every hour that will like check the email templates that are scheduled for today, and it will send them out. So for like example, when a schedule runs on 28th of December, it will send that specific email. And there are other small validations also present, like if I go and send email and again try to schedule the email, so it will show me a confirmation like 4 emails are already scheduled for this lead. Do you want to schedule again or not? So if I click no, it will not. And if I want to like delete all of the scheduled emails, it will delete them. So if I go downwards, then see the scheduled emails are now finished. So this is a basic process automation, you can say. We can like add as many as automated emails in here. Thank you.